Hi people, today I want to show you how I use Affinity Photo to do real work. I'm processing pictures taken with 3 different cameras. All pictures are from recreational vehicles taken on the same week by me like 2 weeks ago in a congress in the city of Barcelona. First thing I do is renaming the files using the vehicle model name, and I put the pictures from the 3 cameras for the same model all in the same folder. These are the files we have here, and I will start the work from this. Pictures are taken with an Insta360 camera for inside 360 panoramas, with the Sony A5100 for the external pictures, and a GoPro for inside pictures. The final goal is to upload all the photos to my website aquestas.com. So let's start. I will start with the 360 pictures that I exported using Insta360 Studio. I mainly do 2 things to the 360 photos. I remove the faces and add a watermark. Well, 2 watermarks normally. I always have this PSD file opened to copy the watermarks from. So here's a bunch of people that I want to get rid of. What I do is select the area and apply a pixelate filter that I do with a macro to avoid having to configure the filter each time. Okay, the area is selected, and just apply pixelate filter, and all the people has gone. After finishing pixelating all areas, I copy the watermark from the PSD I have in the first tab, and we already can save the picture. I do it with export command to be able to set the GPJ quality. So Command E, enter, enter, Command R, Command W to close, and Command D, and we are done. After 360, it comes the pictures from the GoPro and the Sony. I add all together to Affinity Photo. I just remove faces and crop the pictures. As the watermarks are added automatically by the website, I not need to add it here manually. As you can see, I use shortcuts all I can to increase work speed. Finally, I've decided I will buy Affinity Photo and not Pixelmator Pro because of 2 main reasons. Firstly, Affinity Photo is faster and consumes less resources than Pixelmator, and second, I see more professionals using Affinity Photo, so even though I'm now using the trial version, I will buy it when the trial finish. I already bought the version for iPad some months ago. Oh, and another important difference I note between both programs is that GPG generated by Affinity are much better optimized than the generated by Pixelmator Pro. And after finishing everything, we are ready to test the final result on the website. Everything is finished and everything is working thanks to Pixelmator and my tons of hours taking pictures in the Congress.